What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore the NIIMBOT B1 Pro Label Maker, a device that's about to revolutionize the way you organize and label your belongings, whether it's for personal use, your store, or even your small business. This compact, yet powerful label printer is packed with features that will make your life easier and more efficient. So, let's dive in and see what it has to offer. First off, let's talk about the printing clarity of the NIIMBOT B1 Pro. This thing is a beast when it comes to printing labels. With its newly upgraded 300 dpi printing clarity, it can print smaller fonts more clearly than ever before. This means you can fit more text on a single label, making it perfect for printing labels for files, folders, and even product labels for your store. The high-resolution printing also ensures that your labels look professional and crisp, giving your business or personal projects a more polished look. Another feature that really stands out is the built-in label roll. The NIIMBOT B1 Pro comes with a 2x 1.2-inch label roll, which is compatible with most NIIMBOT label printers. This means you can start printing labels right out of the box, without having to worry about buying separate label rolls. And if you need labels of different sizes or colors, don't worry. The B1 Pro supports label sticker widths from 0.8 to 2 inches, giving you plenty of flexibility. Plus, the largest labels currently on sale are 2 inches wide and 6.7 inches long, so you can print labels that are big enough to grab attention. Now, let's talk about one of the coolest features of the NIIMBOT B1 Pro, its ability to print pictures in red and black colors. This label printer supports grayscale image printing, which means you can print labels with your company's logo or even photos of products you're selling. And with the red and black dual-color label printing, you can add an extra layer of visual appeal to your labels. Just note that the photo paper and red and black label paper are sold separately, but trust me, it's worth it. Finally, let's talk about the connectivity options of the NIIMBOT B1 Pro. This thing is a connectivity powerhouse, allowing you to connect up to 3 iOS devices, 7 Android devices, and 1 Windows PC simultaneously. This makes it perfect for multi-person item organization in supermarkets, offices, and small businesses. Imagine being able to print labels from your phone, tablet, or computer without having to worry about cables or complicated setup processes. The NIIMBOT B1 Pro makes it all possible, thanks to its Bluetooth connectivity. In conclusion, the NIIMBOT B1 Pro Label Maker is an incredible device that's packed with features that will make your life easier and more efficient. With its high-resolution printing, built-in label roll, picture and color printing capabilities, and multi-device connectivity, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to organize and label their belongings. Whether you're a business owner, a student, or just someone who loves to stay organized, the NIIMBOT B1 Pro is a must-have device. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the NIIMBOT B1 Pro Label Maker today and start taking your labeling game to the next level. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.